What made you choose HR in the food and retail sector?
What made me choose those?
Yes.
Before this role, I was working as a team lead. Okay, so I'm working as a HR manager here. So it doesn't matter like what is the industry and what is the like company. So here they have given me as manager position. That's why I just changed the last company and come to this company.
Okay. What's the most interesting part of managing people in retail?
Uh, interesting, there is no interesting like, and sometimes I just get bored because a lot of question, lot of issues they have once they see me in office. Whenever I just reach at office, so they'll start asking about their salary, their some people have like they want to take some balance, some loans, something related to the salary and reimbursement, all these things, and they have always some queries, some questions in their mind. Once they just see me in office, they start asking me.
Okay. What's the biggest challenge you face while hiring staff?
Yeah, so usually what happens whenever I just go through about the positions in work India, so I just hire, but challenges I always face from my boss side, like my manager side. So he always say he's like double-minded kind of. Sometimes he'll say like this much salary you will just keep, but once everything like going to be final and all. So whenever I talk to him, so he'll say like he'll ask like I never say like this. Why you change the salary? So you are not good at negotiation. You are very poor at negotiation. All these questions. So I feel usually challenges and bad in that time. Yeah.
What qualities do you look for in a good retail employee?
Good retail employee. So they whenever I have seen someone who is like very active in office and who is always busy in their work. They don't have any interest to others, like they always busy in their work and problem solving nature and something like that. So I feel like they are the good employee of the company, hardworking. Yeah. Yeah.
What's the most common issue employees come to you with?
Common issues are like salary, related to salary, reimbursement. This what is it? Yeah, I'm not getting that point exactly. Salary, and related to salary and reimbursement. Yeah.
How do you keep the team motivated during busy hours?
Oh, busy as you're asking. Okay, busy as everybody stay like busy in their own, not to motivate them. I don't face any problem in our company especially because they are very like in my company I have seen people are very disciplined and they just mostly spend their time in work. Hardly they just come out of work and just gossip and something they do. Yeah.
Okay. How different is HR in retail compared to corporate HR?
Yeah, I haven't worked in a proper corporate company like IT or something like that, because before this company I was working in a marketing agency that was work from home only. So yeah, in future maybe I'll face what is the corporate and HR. Corporate and retail industry HR difference. Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever experienced a funny or unexpected hiring moment?
Yes, it was very interesting because once what happened, someone, so I was just asking him for assistant store manager. Okay, so that guy was coming on the way and he was calling repeatedly to me. So I just listened to his call and I asked what happened. So he was asking like, "Ma'am, sorry, I don't want to say, but I don't have money to go to reach the office." Okay, so I said. Yeah, please give me 100 rupees. I'll reach. Once I'll reach, I'll give back to you. So I was just asking him to come and attend the interview. Okay. So I felt I should give him something must be there. So I just gave him 100 rupees. But then after once he just received that money, then after he didn't receive my call. Yeah.
Okay.
So it was very interesting and Everybody just laughed at me. Yeah, so everybody said, "Ma'am, you shouldn't give him." I thought like he was talking well, like nice people kind of. So I should help him, but he didn't receive my call.
Okay. He just did it for only 100 rupees.
Yeah, only 100 rupees.
Okay. How do
Yeah.
you handle conflicts between staff members?
Yes, whenever I reach the place, if some conflicts are going on, so usually they just respect me as a HR, and when I say something, people will they just respond, they just listen to me. Yeah. So if they are listening, then it's obvious like the conflicts will go away, right?
Yeah.
So I'll say like you shouldn't do this, you have to do this work or not something. They just respect my words. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
What
yeah.
what training do you think every retail staff should have?
Yeah, so in retail industry, usually people they have to handle the business very like nicely, okay? Because directly they have to talk to the customers, they have to handle to the customer, they have to call, they have to listen their queries, right? So for that they should have the problem solving nature, they should have good communications, right? So if they don't have, so they should get the proper training for that. Yeah.
Okay. What advice would you give someone starting in retail HR?
Someone starting in
Retail HR.
okay, so as a HR, that doesn't matter like a retail or corporate or whatever IT sector. So HRs have a one common like work everywhere, I feel. So for HRs, I can say like HRs usually people think like HRs are very rude. They don't listen others. So they shouldn't be like that. They should like listen employees very carefully what exactly they want. So they have to balance between the boss and employees. So because you as a HR, you have to every time go with the company sides, right? Because you're management person, right, in the company. But you shouldn't ignore to the employees. You shouldn't be very rude at them, because sometimes the employees are also working hard. You should listen them properly what they are, what they want. Exactly.
What one mistake candidates often make in interviews?
Yeah, so mistake they do, they feel like it's a like interview. If I'm not getting this job, what I'll do, and in that thing happens as a human. So everybody just get a fear about the interview, right? But they should think, right? It is a discussion. It is nothing like an interview or something. So whenever they are coming, they should be very, very relaxed. Like they should be very comfortable with their words, what they are whenever they are just sharing their experiences and all. It doesn't matter if the job is it is happening or not, but you should be very confident, and you should be very open. Whatever is there in your mind, you should say in a nice way. It doesn't matter like it's English or Hindi, whatever language, but you should be very confident while talking with the interviewer. Yeah.
How do you build trust with employees from different backgrounds?
How I built trust. Okay. Different backgrounds, different departments are there. So sometimes what I do, I just try to understand their role. I just go to chat GPT, because I'm also not aware of each and every departments. Exactly, because I was working in a different company previously, and now in a new company I'm working. So it was obvious everybody doesn't know everything, right? So whenever I just go to a company, I just try to search their role, because their role, their positions, everything I know. So I just search in Google chat GPT about their role. I just try to do some research on their role, try to study and learn what they are doing exactly. So in that way I handle. Yeah.
Okay. My last question is, what motivates you personally to work in the HR field?
Yeah, honestly, I can say, like, my as I'm married, my husband said ki just go in that way. So there is no such work you'll get, hard work. There is no such hard work in HR department. So it's better if your communication is good and you have the problem solving nature. You know you have the like leadership quality. So better you just go in that field. Yeah.
Yeah, how can someone build leadership quality in him?
In him or her, okay.
In
So leadership quality, it's like it will come automatically if you know everything, not everything, like if you have knowledge of like basic things, and if you have a good communication skills, right, and if you have a good personality, then definitely you'll be you can handle to each and every people. Yeah, because the person, the people or employees in a company, they just usually give respect to the people who is having a good personalities.
Yeah.
Like good dressing sense, personality in the sense of good dressing sense, good communication power, like as he or she is having what it is called, power and power over his or her words, so he or she knows how to handle people, how to talk with them,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah. Thank you so much for talking with me. It's a pleasure meeting and talking to you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.